guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today it's Glossybox time. I got this yesterday and I really wanted to unbox it yesterday, but I was super sick and I just literally couldn't do anything. So I went to bed really early, had a good night's sleep, and sorry about the reflective glare on my glasses, but the sickness is making me have headaches, so I'm wearing my glasses like I should do. Anyway, for those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a monthly beauty box, and I'll leave all the links down below. I do have a discount code if you would like to get some money off your first box. I shall leave that down below for you as well. This is the March box. Today is the 1st of March. Oh, I'm gonna drop everything. I'm gonna drop everything. Okay, so this is the box. And it is the traditional glossy box with the beautiful pink and then the black fanciness. So let's get in. Okay, so as I do every month, I will show you guys first. I feel like I haven't unboxed anything for so long. Come on. Get out. Here we go. So this is the box. Does it look good? Oh, right. So this is the Empowerment edition. And it says, hey Glossies, this month we want to inspire you to chase your dreams with an edit of 5 fabulous makeup, skincare and hair care products created by innovative and go-getting entrepreneurs. From a makeup company that was single-handedly founded by a woman with a vision to a natural beauty label that encourages people to take control of their skincare routine, we want the stories behind the brands to empower you. Dream big, Glossies. It's time to become the best version of you. I would very much like to be the best version of me at the minute because I am fed up of feeling sick. So, yes. Let's just jump in. The first thing I can see is a Laripsy Cosmetics, and this is a dew pot, and this is full size, and this is £15.30. I feel like I've got one of these. I don't know if I've got this same colour. I think I have. Let me just have a look before I touch this. I think I've got one of these, and if I have, then I will not touch it and give it away. I'm like 90% sure. Where would I put you? Aha! Aha! Is this in the same colour? It is. So I'm not going to touch this one. I will put that in a giveaway because I have the exact same one here. And I do use this. It is really pretty. It says a smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultra-fine shimmer that accentuates the features and enhances all the skin tones. Apply on cheekbones, brow bones, a cupid's bow for a rosy glow, lit from within glow. I tend to use this on my lips rather than as a highlighter, but it's a really, you can see it's got a really nice shimmer to it. I kind of use it like a lip balm. I'm not going to put it on today because I've got a cold sore and I don't want to put anything on top of that bitch. But yeah, it's a really pretty one. £15.30, full size. A child is sneezing and shouting me, wait there. Sorry, she wanted pom bears, and if you know about toddlers, they don't want to wait for their pom bears. Okay, next up I've got something from the Body Shop, and this is the Body Shop Coconut Body Butter, and it says this is a deluxe mini, and the deluxe mini is worth £6, and it says go on camera, there you go. These super rich and creamy body butters melt straight in, softening, nourishing and hydrating skin for up to 48 hours. Each one is enriched with some of nature's best moisturisers. You'll either receive shea butter, fresh and exotic coconut, or deliciously sophisticated argan oil. I'm really happy I've got coconut because I absolutely love the smell of coconut. Oh my god, it smells so good. I am going to use this on my belly because I don't want any more stretch marks than I've already got. So I will be using this. Oh, it smells so good. I absolutely love the Body Shop body butters. They just absorb into your skin really nicely. So super happy with that. What is next? Let's look. What are you? This is Essence, and this is Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Oil-free, non-sticky and lightweight. This is full size. £3. Lightweight, oil-free, non-sticky setting spray is a makeup bag essential. Uses it as a primer to create a non-shiny matte base or keep your foundation in place. Spray it from 15 centimeters from your face for a smooth, matte, confidence boosting finish. Now, I tend to get sort of shiny in the summer, but in the winter and now pregnant, my skin is so dry, it's ridiculous. So I probably won't use this, but I'll put this into a giveaway. But I do love setting sprays, but I am, especially now that my skin is so dry, I am tending to go for the more hydrating, dewy ones. And I think for me as well, because I am old, matte skin on me just makes me look crepey and even older than I already am. But that's a really nice thing to get. Let's have a look. I don't know what to get next. I'm going to go for this one. Who are you by? BYBI or Bybee. I've no idea how to pronounce that. I'm probably saying it wrong. I normally do. And this is a plumper lip balm. Boasting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them smooth, soft and healthy. Also contain hints of peppermint and capsicum, which plump your pout and enhances natural shape. It's 100% natural, vegan and cruelty free. BYBI, Bybee, I don't know. I am rubbish. Bybee, BYB, I don't know. I don't know. My camera doesn't know. Look, there we go. It's really pretty packaging. Oh, it's shimmery. Was founded by two determined best friends. The iconic eco tubes are made from sugarcane and are 100% biodegradable and recyclable. That's really cool. That's really smart. Again, I'm not going to put it on my lips because of cold sore, but as soon as this cold sore is gone, I will 100% be using this. Apply a pea-sized amount to lips for intense hydration, shine and a perfectly plumped pout. 100% natural, certified vegan and cruelty free. That is bloody awesome. Yes, well done for that. I've had so many people message me recently wanting me to do more cruelty free and vegan makeup-y stuff, and I am looking into it. There'll be another video coming very soon for that. And then the final item is a Bella Pierre, and it is a kiss proof lip cream, and it's in the colour, it says full size, it's £20, so that's another one. So you've got a full size here, 20, £15, 30, 3, so it's a really, really good value box. Feel like a goddess with this Bella Pierre's full coverage, high impact liquid lipsticks. Creamy formula glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the colour payoff lasts for hours without needing a touch-up. Glossy fact, started as a modest mineral-based company, Bella Pierre has since evolved into an on-trend brand with some of the hottest products on the market. Passion and determination really do pay off. Again, I think I've got this. I'm not gonna, I'll get it out and show you. I won't actually swatch it because I'm pretty sure I already have this. You're gonna focus camera? You're gonna be a dick. There we go. It's a really pretty colour. Let me just have a little look in my drawer because I am, if I haven't got this one, I've got one very similar. Maybe I haven't. Maybe I haven't. It looks like a similar colour to my favourite e.l.f. Tea Rose, but I'm super excited for this. I've had a Bella Pierre lip colour before, but I'm pretty sure it was a darker one than this. So I will definitely use this once my gross face is fixed. So, sneak peek for April. Get excited glossies. We're having double the fun with April. With two special fruity and floral glossy boxes bursting with fruit-inspired formulas and blooming with flowery undertones. Both edits include a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleep mask from Dr. Botanicals. Ooh, that's exciting. Yes! So yeah, that was the Empowerment edition. I thought it was really good. I am super excited to use this and this. This stuff is like, oh, it just smells so good. I want to cover my whole body in this. And I will definitely, if it seems to be working for stretch marks, I will let you know, and I will definitely get a full size one of these. But yeah, that was Glossybox for March 2019. If you like these videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.